In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rainbow text effect in Canva using the Blend Image app. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a rainbow text effect in Canva using the Blend Image app. Start by opening Canva and loading the design where you've already added your text and your rainbow image. If you're starting from a blank canvas, make sure you've placed your text and imported a rainbow image beforehand, so everything is ready to blend. Bold, thick fonts tend to showcase the rainbow best, but use what fits your style. Next, make sure the text is placed on top of the rainbow image. Layer order matters here. The text should cover the rainbow so the blend can reveal the colors inside the letters. If you can see the rainbow fully covering your text, you'll want to bring the text forward so it sits above. On the left sidebar, click Apps. In the search bar, type Blend Image and open it. This is the tool that will merge your layers in a visually interesting way using blend modes. Inside Blend Image, choose the rainbow image as the bottom layer. Think of this as the color source that will shine through. Then choose your text design as the top layer. With those two layers set, you're ready to blend. Now select a blend mode such as Multiply, Screen, or Overlay. Each mode interacts with colors differently. Multiply usually darkens and helps colors show through on lighter text. Screen lightens, which is great if your text is darker. Overlay boosts contrast and can make the rainbow look punchy and vibrant. Click through the options until the rainbow appears clearly inside your letters and the edges of the text remain crisp. Take a moment to fine-tune by switching modes until you get the exact rainbow text effect you like. Small differences make a big impact, especially with different font weights and background colors. If you want to add a finishing touch, you can optionally frame your blended text. Click the text, then click Elements, go to Frames, and choose a frame that complements your design. Adjust the size and style as needed so it frames the text without crowding it. This is a great way to make the effect feel polished and ready for sharing. And that's how you create a rainbow text effect in Canva using the Blend Image app and optionally add a frame around it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.